Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna kind of do, I don't know what I'm gonna title it, but clean with me, get it all done. I don't know. I don't have a ton of stuff to do today, but there's some small things that I would like to get done, and this might go from today's Sunday and into tomorrow because I am off tomorrow. But I for sure am going to start with some laundry. My sister's on her way home. She went grocery shopping while I was at church. And then I'm going to film the grocery haul for a separate video, but I think I'll film us putting it up for this one. And then I do have to clean the bathroom today, but I'm not really going to film that. Only because I'm deep cleaning our shower. I'm a little embarrassed to show it. It is something that's very easy for me to not clean consistently. And honestly, it needs to be resealed around the bottom because it gets so moldy under, like, I forget what it's called, but like the little seal stuff around the bottom. And I'm trying something different today. I'm going to try to use baking soda and vinegar to clean it because normally I use the Clorox Tilex. I hate bleach. I hate cleaning with bleach. It gives me a headache, and our bathroom has zero ventilation. The window doesn't open. There's no fan in there. So it's like, so the cats don't come in there and get it. I usually close the doors, and I have to take so many breaks because the smell, it just gets to me. I hate cleaning with bleach in general, but yeah. So that's the plan. I have to do some cleaning in my bedroom. We really need to vacuum our floors. We really need to mop our floor. We mopped that half of the house yesterday because we sold the couch and we got our old one back, so we mopped before we did that. So let's go ahead, get these groceries in the house, put some laundry on, and then we'll see what happens.
Small city thinking, I get why you left. Small-minded people sure know how to drink. I came to the party, I laughed at the jokes you made. I wish that I hadn't, 'cause now the joke's on me. I didn't come here just so I could watch you make a mess. I didn't come here to ugly cry in my favorite dress. So what the hell were you thinking then when you kissed your lips? Now I'm kinda glad you did, 'cause now you adore me, adore me. Go ahead now, adore me, adore me. Little did I know she wanted you alone. I thought she was over you, but I guess I was wrong. I came to the party, I laughed at the jokes she made. I wish that I hadn't, 'cause now the joke's on me. I didn't come here just...
If you live in Texas, H-E-B sells these dulce de leche cashews and Mexican hot chocolate pecans. They usually sell them around Christmas time, but our store still has a bunch of them left over, and they are on sale right now. These are so good for just a sweet little snack. They're amazing.
So I could watch you make a mess. I didn't come here to ugly cry in my favorite dress. She thought she could tear us apart when she kissed your lips. Oh, what a plot twist. 'Cause now you adore me, adore me. Go ahead now,
we are all over the place in this clean with me. So I'm in my bedroom now, and we moved this chair in here when we got our bigger couch because it just didn't really fit in the living room anymore, and the cats really like it, so I have a hard time getting rid of it. But since we got our old couch back, we have room, so we're just moving it back into the living room. And I was also trying to show y'all how dirty like the tops of our window, or my windows, and my window seal was, but it just wasn't picking up on camera. But you can kind of see it there. There was just like a lot of fuzz buildup, so it was kind of gross. It really needed to be cleaned. The cats love this chair so much. They were very curious on what I was doing with it, so they were following me. They were very concerned about the chair.
I cannot ignore this. I've got my blinders on. Baby, you know that I'm all for it. Hurry before another April's gone. And you can find me. I trace about in your memory. Is this really where I belong? Please don't make me wait too long. I'm throwing up my hands, opening these arms.
I will replace where the chair was in front of these windows with the ottoman that I keep at the end of my bed. This gets moved back and forth during Christmas time because I keep the corner clear for my tree, but this always usually lives in front of the window. We just keep our board games and card games in here. The cats love it, and that's why it is so torn up. Moving into the bathroom, I did already at this point scrub the shower. That is why I changed clothes. You're going to see me in multiple different things throughout this video. I kept changing. But I also did take the Valentine's decorations down that I had. I didn't have much, but now I'm just cleaning the rest of the bathroom. So wiping the counter, the mirror. I cleaned the toilet off camera. Again, I don't like showing that for some reason. It's just weird to me. And then I'm going to move into mopping the floors. It's going to go back into the kitchen. We're going to mop the other half of the house that we didn't mop the night before, and then I'm going to mop in here in the bathroom.
Time is sliding down the wall. There is an animal living inside me, gripping my heart, slow me down. The greatest weight that I've ever held, and I can't keep it all. Won't you take it all? Let's go back to when you didn't know me. Yeah, I'll come to you as the devil disguised.
have a litter box in this bathroom. It's on the other side of the counter. That is why you're seeing me sweep up so much. The actual general area of the floor right there isn't that bad, but once I pick up the litter box, these cats throw litter out like crazy. It's like, do they not realize that that stuff costs so much money? They probably just don't care, honestly, even if they did realize. But anyway, that's why this bathroom is so bad.
Started out so small, we drank and then we talked. She got to know me, I got to know her, and suddenly it's war, then peace, so on and off. She's getting to me, I'm getting to her. Here's what I've been thinking, here's what I would do when two people are sinking. You should get them out the pool. Here's what I've been thinking, I don't know what else to do, so I'm forever calling her truth. She's a roller coaster ride going up, down. I'm forced to feel feelings that I can't fight. Not 20 anymore, gotta realize that I'm too old for puppy love. Party's getting weaker by the years now. Can't take it anymore, need a time out. Not 20 anymore, gotta realize that I'm too old for puppy love. Yeah, 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 yeah. Ooh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Ooh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Ooh, yeah, yeah. We met in July, a summer ride or die. But summer don't last, and neither should we. I won't break down and cry. This happens all the time. Yeah, we happen too fast, way too high speed. Here's what I've been thinking, here's what I would do when two people are sinking. You should get them out the pool. Here's what I've been thinking, I don't know what else to do, so I'm forever calling her truth. She's a roller coaster ride going up, down. I'm forced to feel feelings that I can't fight. Not 20 anymore, gotta realize that I'm too old for puppy love. Party's getting weaker by the years now. Can't take it anymore, need a time out. Not 20 anymore, gotta realize that I'm too old for puppy love. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Ooh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Ooh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Ooh, yeah, yeah. She's a roller coaster ride going up, down. I'm forced to feel feelings that I can't fight. Not 20 anymore, gotta realize that I'm too old for puppy love. Heart is getting weaker by the years now. Can't take it anymore, need a time out. Not 20 anymore, gotta realize that I'm too old for puppy love. You could say anything, but it could mean everything. 'Cause you said it to the right person, and they needed the compliment. But isn't it sickening? You could say you're in love with them, but it won't mean anything at all. But that's not your fault. Life's funny like that. You lose one thing, get another one back. You thought you knew, but it wasn't a fact. Known your whole life, but it was all an act. There's no meaning, but like in the best of ways, you could go 100 days without really doing anything and still have the right to say, I'm so incredible. Oh yeah, I'm lovable. Cause it's not in the performance, no. There's nothing that.
And you know, I don't know why I thought moving my dresser to the other side of my room was going to help me put things away. It hasn't. This is what the top of my dresser looks like pretty much all the time. I'm actually putting stuff away here, and I'm going to do like my pants and sleep shorts later on after I do that laundry. Honestly, my pajama pants stay on top of that because they don't fit. They don't fit in those baskets anymore. And I really want to get a actual dresser to where things are going to fit the way I want them to. But I don't know when that'll be. So for now, things are just going to overflow to the top until I can figure out a different way to fold them or figure something else out.
Feel no need to explain. I'll say it all again. Now you don't have to show them anything. I know it's so frustrating. Can't take yourself out the equation. Can't wait longer than your own patience. Can't wait longer than your own patience. Like you're here waiting until you're not. Can't remember what you forgot. You can't take yourself out the equation. Life's funny like that. You lose one thing, get another one back. You thought you knew, but it wasn't no fact. Know them your whole life, but it was all an act. There's no meaning, but like in the best of ways, you could go 100 days without really doing anything and still have the right to say, I'm so incredible, yeah, I'm lovable. Cause it's not in the performance, no. Feel no need to explain. I'll say it all again. Now you don't have to show them anything.
And this is actually going to be it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified anytime that I post a video. I don't think I have anything else to add, so I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you next time. Bye, guys.